How to find Western Union Mtcn tracking number. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find your Western Union Mtcn tracking number, which is essential for tracking your money transfer. Let's get started. The easiest way to find your Mtcn is on the receipt you received when you send the money, so look for a section labeled Money Transfer Control Number, or Mtcn. It's typically a 10-digit number. If you don't have the receipt, you can still find your Mtcn by visiting the Western Union website. Go to the Track a Transfer section, and here you'll see options to track your transfer using either your sender details or the tracking number itself. If you're unable to find your Mtcn through the receipt or the website, you can contact Western Union customer service. So you can call 1-800-325-630 and provide the representative with details about your transaction, such as the sender's name, the amount sent, and the details, the date of the transfer. They can help you retrieve your Mtcn. If you provided an email address when sending the money, you can also find the Mtcn in your confirmation email from Western Union, so check your inbox. And that's it. These are different ways so you can know how to find your Western Union Mtcn tracking number. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on money transfers. Thanks for watching.